Using question words negative. What do you not do? What did you not do? What will you not do? What are you not? What are you not doing? What were you not? What were you not doing? What will you not be? What will you not be doing? What do you not have? What have you not done? What did you not have? What had you not done? What will you not have? What will you not have done? What have you not been? What have you not been doing? What had you not been? What had you not been doing? What will you not have been? What will you not have been doing? What must you not do? What must you not be? What must you not be doing? What must you not have? What must you not have done? What must you not have been? What must you not have been doing? What can you not do? What can you not be? What can you not be doing? What could you not have? What could you not have done? What could you not have been? What could you not have been doing? What may you not do? What may you not be? What may you not be doing? What may you not have? What may you not have done? What may you not have been? What may you not have been doing? Why are you not called? Why were you not called? Why will you not be called? Why are you not being called? Why were you not being called? Why have you not been called? Why had you not been called? Why will you not have been called? Why must you not be called? Why must you not have been called? Why can you not be called? Why could you not have been called? Why may you not be called? Why may you not have been called?